Okay, so I want to do a quick update on our QuickBooks integration and just kind of what that looks like generally as an operator and kind of what to look for in the product. So, at a high level, what our QuickBooks integration will allow you to do is it will allow you to push and pull any invoice data. And so you'll forward in your invoices here. Here's like a quick little example here. Here's some example test data. I'm actually going to pull in one of these QuickBooks vendors. So let's just do this one. So we'll import your vendors from QuickBooks. So we'll pull those in, and then the invoices that you have that come in from those vendors, we'll pull them in here. And you'll be able to have the invoice amount, the JIB, any data. We'll pull in your QuickBooks terms for you, so net 10, and then also your categories as well as your classes. Oftentimes what we see oil and gas operators do is if they're on QuickBooks, they'll have their class be the actual wells that they're using to produce. And then we'll have any payment information, your approvals, and that will all kick in, and that will all push into QuickBooks. And now I want to go in and show you the chart of accounts data here. This is all being pulled in from QuickBooks, so you can come in and you can see it, and then you can also look at how these accounts are set up and make any adjustments that are necessary. Something that I think is important to notice with QuickBooks is when you come in here to your QuickBooks account, you have there's different data that you can push and pull. And so we can import any tax codes that are in QuickBooks and also any custom fields. We'll have your classes here and then your terms on those. And those are all going to be pulled in from QuickBooks. And then as you're coding out the actual invoice itself, you'll go through the workflow. And so what the workflow would look like is you'd have these come in, you would have your, and then they'd go in through an approval process. And then once they're approved, that's when they will kick into QuickBooks. It'll show the data, and then it will show up on the QuickBooks end. If you have any other questions, hop on a demo with me. You can click on the chat with sales icon, and we can hop on a call and review how Joltly can help your oil and gas company integrate QuickBooks into what you're already doing.